Why is x to the negative 1 equal to 1 over x? How does a negative exponent even make sense? Something like x to the fifth means we have 5x's being multiplied. Something like x squared means we have 2x's being multiplied. And if we divide them, we would just be dividing 5x's by 2x's. And when we do the division, any x's on top can be reduced by x's on bottom. This will simplify to 3x's over the number 1. And we can write 3x's as x cubed. As a shortcut for that, we could have just done this 5 minus this 2 and got x to the 5 minus 2. If we get rid of all this stuff, we're just going to have x to the fifth over x squared equals x to the 5 minus 2. And if we change both of these 5's into a's and both of these 2's into b's, we now have some notes we can use. You just subtract the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. Let's try another one of these. Let's do x to the 3 over x to the 4. That would give us 3x's over 4x's. After we cancel out tops and bottoms, we're left with 1 over x. And what should we call that 1 over x? X to what power? We would do the 3 minus the 4. And what is 3 minus 4? Negative 1. And let's get rid of all of this stuff and then smush it together. So now we have 1 over x equals x to the negative 1. How exciting. Should we do a fit check? Check out my vintage Mario shirt. What do you guys think? My YouTube needs some love. Check it out. I got a link in my bio.